Alright, so this is a small little robot that I made a while ago, and I'm just now getting around to making a video about it. The idea with this guy is it's an internet-controlled robot, so it's got a little video camera on the front and Raspberry Pi, which is like a little mini computer, and it hosts a website on the Raspberry Pi, so you can log into that and view a live video feed and control the robot, drive it around the house. Let me show you how it works. Here's the inside of the robot so you can see it. Kind of a lot going on, but main thing here is there's a PIC microcontroller that receives UART commands from the Raspberry Pi web server. So I have firmware running on the PIC that basically just converts UART commands into control signals for the motors and for the LED headlights. There's a little transistor circuit there to turn on the headlights, and this little red thing right here is an H-bridge module. Which allows me to control the direction that the motors are going, so I can have them go forward and backwards each. The PIC actually it has speed control, which just means that it sends a PWM output to the H-bridge so it can control the speed of the motors that way. I think that's basically it. Yep.
So here's the control website for the robot. You can see there's a few buttons on here to control the headlights, the camera, the speed, and you actually use the WASD keys to drive the robot. So here's a little demonstration. Yeah, I'm turning the robot now. Drive it around. The latency on the camera is pretty good. It's around like half a second. That's about as good as I could get it, which is, good enough to drive it, see real time. I just turned on the headlights. And here's the same thing, just from the view of the robot. Alright, thanks for watching.